Have you ever imagined connecting to the internet from anywhere in the world, even in deserts or the middle of the ocean? It may sound like magic, but it's actually an advanced technology known as satellite internet. But how does this system work? And could it be the future of the internet? Let's find out. Welcome to Glimpse Pro. What is satellite internet? Satellite internet is a system that allows you to connect to the internet using satellites instead of ground cables or cell towers. Simply put, the signal from your device is sent to a satellite in space, which then relays it to a ground station connected to the internet. The data is then transmitted back to you via the satellite. But how does this differ from traditional internet services? Difference between ground-based and space-based internet. Traditional internet relies on fiber-optic cables and wireless towers, making it fast but geographically limited. In contrast, satellite internet can cover the entire globe, even in remote areas. However, there are challenges such as latency because data must travel vast distances between Earth and space. Can this issue be solved? Technology advancements, Starlink, and similar projects. Companies like Starlink, led by Elon Musk, are working to reduce latency by using low Earth orbit LEO satellites, which are much closer to Earth than traditional satellites. This means faster speeds and better response times, making satellite internet more competitive with fiber optics. But could this really become the future of internet connectivity? Is satellite internet the future? The answer depends on several factors. On one hand, satellite internet is a perfect solution for remote areas and regions lacking traditional infrastructure. It can also serve as a reliable backup during natural disasters when ground networks fail. On the other hand, it remains expensive and needs further improvements in speed and stability before it can truly replace ground-based internet. So, can satellite internet become the primary choice for everyone? Conclusion: technology is evolving rapidly, and in the future, satellite internet may become more efficient and affordable, making it accessible to everyone. But for now, ground-based internet remains the better option in most cases. What do you think? Could satellite internet be the future? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more insightful content.